Is your home feeling cluttered and overwhelming? A messy space can make daily life stressful, but with the right organization techniques, you can transform your home into a peaceful and functional place. In this video, we'll share simple yet effective home organization tips that will help you declutter, maximize storage, and maintain a tidy space. Stay with us till the end for a game-changing tip. The first step to an organized home is decluttering. Start by going through each room and sorting your items into 3 categories: keep, donate, and discard. Be honest with yourself. If you haven't used something in a year, it's time to let it go. The less clutter you have, the easier it will be to organize your space and keep it tidy in the long run. One of the best ways to create more space is by using vertical storage. Install floating shelves, add wall-mounted hooks, and use over-the-door organizers. These solutions help free up floor space while keeping essential items within reach. Vertical storage is especially useful in small homes or apartments where every inch counts. Make use of walls to store books, accessories, or even kitchen essentials. For better organization, consider using clear storage bins. Transparent bins allow you to see what's inside without having to open every container. Label them for quick identification. This works great for seasonal clothes, kids' toys, pantry essentials, and even office supplies. When everything has a designated place, finding and putting things away becomes effortless, saving you time and reducing household clutter. Another simple trick is to organize by category. Keep similar items together instead of scattering them around your home. Store all kitchen utensils in one drawer, group cleaning supplies under the sink, and use small baskets for bathroom essentials. This method makes it easier to find what you need quickly, reducing frustration and keeping your home looking neat and organized. Create a drop zone near your entrance for daily essentials like keys, bags, and mail. Without a designated spot, these items can easily create clutter around the house. A small tray on a console table or a wall-mounted organizer can keep everything in one place. This simple habit prevents things from piling up and helps you maintain an organized and clutter-free entryway. When it comes to organizing your wardrobe, proper folding techniques can save a lot of space. Try the KonMari method, which involves folding clothes into compact, upright rectangles. This way, you can see all your clothes at once instead of stacking them on top of each other. It not only maximizes drawer space but also makes it easier to pick outfits without making a mess. Consider investing in multi-purpose furniture to maximize storage while maintaining a stylish look. Beds with built-in drawers, ottomans with hidden compartments, and coffee tables with shelves are great options. These furniture pieces provide extra storage without taking up additional space, making them ideal for small homes or apartments. Functional furniture helps keep your home organized while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. The key to long-term organization is maintaining a daily cleaning routine. Spend just 10 minutes each day tidying up, make your bed, wipe down counters, and return items to their designated places. A little effort every day prevents small messes from turning into big clutter problems. When organizing becomes a habit, your home will always feel fresh, clean, and stress-free. And there you have it, simple home organization tips that will help you create a clutter-free and relaxing space. Which tip did you find most useful? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home organization ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.